Hello, everyone. Welcome back in the afternoon. I'm Steve,
And I'm Scott.
and we are still backyard musings together. We are.
Yep, still in the PRC and still talking science and technology.
Yes, sir. Okay, zinc, long overlooked as a mere micronutrient, turns out to be a game changer in legume nitrogen fixation.
Is that how you pronounce that? Legume, not legume?
I don't know. You
Okay. All right.
tomato.
I'll
right?
get my chance.
You get your chance. Scientists have discovered a novel zinc sensor protein, FUN, not making this up, all capital letters, FUN. And when we go through this article, it doesn't tell you what FUN stands for, it's just fun. That acts as a master regulator in this process, helping plants interpret environmental cues and manage nodule efficiency. This breakthrough not only sheds light on the intricate biochemistry behind legume-rhizobia symbiosis, but sounds like a spell, like a Harry Potter spell.
LRS.
LRS, yeah, that's a good one. But also opens the door to smarter, greener farming. With better zinc signaling, crops could fix nitrogen more reliably, cutting down on synthetic fertilizers and paving the way for sustainable agriculture. I like that. No
Chemicals.
pesticides. Yeah. Would you like to know more?
Scientists have uncovered a surprisingly new role for zinc in the way legume plants process nitrogen. Alongside a regulatory protein called fixation under nitrate.
Oh, there we
FUN,
go. There we go. Okay.
Zinc appears to be a key player in helping legumes absorb and use nitrogen more efficiently. This breakthrough could pave the way for improved crop productivity and a reduced need for chemical fertilizers, offering a more sustainable path towards or forward for agriculture.
When I hear sustainable, I cringe, like it's the environment Nazis, trying to. But this is, less
We need less
pesticides,
chemicals.
less chemicals is good, is better.
Yeah, absolutely.
Legumes are unique among crops because they can form a partnership with rhizobia bacteria, which convert nitrogen from the air into a usable form within special structures called root nodules. Now, there's not much nitrogen in the air. There's more oxygen than nitrogen, but that's what our composition is on our Earth. However, these nodules are highly sensitive to changes in the environment, such as extreme temperatures, drought, flooding, salty soils, or high levels of nitrogen already present in the ground.
A research team from Aarhus University, working with partners at the Polytechnic University of Madrid and the European Synchrotron Radiation Facility in France, found that zinc acts as a secondary signal with legume plants. This signal helps the plants interpret environmental cues and adjust how efficiently they fix nitrogen. Their study, published in Nature, reveals that the protein FUN is actually a previously unknown type of zinc sensor that can read these zinc signals and regulate the nitrogen fixation process.
You talked about mosquitoes this morning. This darn fly is bugging the heck out of me.
Yeah,
it's the same fly from yesterday.
What kind of flies are those?
It's probably a midget
Fruit
fly. It's a little guy.
Fruit fly, I think.
Oh, he's a pretty big fruit fly then.
Yeah.
Gargantuan. But he's a small fly.
You probably brought him back from Utah.
Ugh. Okay, quote, "It's truly remarkable to discover zinc's role as a secondary signal in plants. It is a vital micronutrient and has never been considered as a signal before." Oh, you got him.
No.
After screening over 150,000 plants, we finally identified the zinc sensor FUN, shedding light on this fascinating aspect of plant biology. Assistant Professor Jishun Lin, the study's first author, explains.
In this study, the researcher identifies that FUN is an important transcription factor that controls module breakdown when soil nitrogen concentrations are high. Quote, "FUN is regulated by a peculiar mechanism that monitor the cellular zinc levels directly, and we show that FUN is inactivated by zinc into large filament structures and liberated into the active form when zinc levels are low." Unquote. That's quoted by, here we go, Professor Casper Roger. How do you get that? Really?
Roykier?
Rojkjaer.
It's Swedish or Finnish or
some kind
something,
of Scandinavian, right? Anderson. So just Casper Anderson explains.
There we go. From an agricultural perspective, continued nitrogen fixation could be a beneficial trait that increases nitrogen availability. Both for the I'm getting tired and sleepy, man. Talking about this, it seemed really interesting, zinc, but now it's putting me to sleep, man. I need to take some zinc, both for the legume and for co-cultivated or future crops that rely on the nitrogen left in the soil after legumes are grown. This helps lay the foundations for future research that provides new ways for us to manage our farming systems and reduce the use of nitrogen fertilizer and reduce its impact on the environment.
The implications of this research are significant. By understanding how zinc and Fun regulate nitrogen fixation, researchers are developing strategies to optimize this process in legume crops. This could lead to increased nitrogen delivery, improving crop yields, and reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers, which have environmental and economic costs.
If you're wondering why the significance of legumes are like potatoes. It's the staple of life.
I thought they were like a bean.
Yeah, they are. But I mean, potatoes save the Irish. And
yeah.
Legumes,
Yeah, and they're a healthy bean.
Yeah, isn't that what the porridge from Isaac and his twin? Jacob and is it Jacob and his twin?
Are you talking Bible stuff?
Yeah. No,
the
birthright.
I don't know what they ate. Yeah, I don't know what they ate.
The hairy dude. I can't remember what.
I don't know. But I don't know what they ate.
All right. Researchers are now investigating the mechanisms how zinc signals are generated and decoded by Fun. They are looking forward to applying these new discoveries to legume crops such as faba bean, soybean, and cowpea.
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 Never heard of a cowpea. I mean,
cow pie.
Cow pie. Seen a cowpea.
Cow poly.
But I've never heard of a cowpea. I wonder how
probably have legume.
I wonder why they call them that.
I don't know.
Interesting.
All right, folks. If you know why it's called cowpea, let us know.
Please. Take care, everyone.
If you made it this far, you deserve a medal.
Take your zinc.